Cell therapies are an important tool within the world of regenerative medicine. Simply put, cell therapy is where the active component of a treatment pathway is a cell as opposed to an antibody or a compound. These cells can be modified or not. They can be autologous, which means that they are taken directly from the patient, or allogenic, which means they can be taken from a donor. And these cells are then given to the patient in various different forms with the idea that they will help restore function of specific tissues. Most common example of cell therapy today that's known around the world is CAR T-cell therapy, which is where cells are genetically engineered, or immune cells are genetically engineered to target cancer and destroy the cancerous cells. Another very common example of cell therapy is plasma-rich or platelet-rich plasma therapy, so PRP therapies. And this is a growing therapeutic pathway in cases where cell reproduction is required, given the very naturally occurring growth factors that exist in plasma.